Could have been done. All right, we're gonna go check out what Zach is doing. I heard a lot of noise, a lot of power tools. See if he still got his all of his fingers and toes. I heard a lot of noise today. I thought I'd come in and check out what you guys were doing.
Oh well, Hurt was back here shaping up.
I don't know.
Take a look. There you go. Check it out.
Oh man,
Not bad, right?
looks fast. I'm gonna go get back to my stuff. I've been working on this little thing. Yeah. This is our oil cooler. Made that little bracket right here. Just made this in today. There it is. Next thing I'm doing is this. Right there. I'm gonna make an intake manifold that sits right about here. I got a 5-inch tube, some 2.5-inch tubing, a nice throttle body. Let's see what we can make. He's about to help me make something.
You didn't even hit me up. I could feel it.
You can feel it? You
I
can
can
sense
feel
it?
it. I just walked over here. And he was about to ask me to TIG weld that.
I need another plate on top.
Okay.
So look, position that like this, right?
How thick?
I have it. I ordered it. It's a 1/2 inch thick.
Okay. What? Of steel?
Aluminum.
1/2 inch aluminum?
Damn! Is that too much for you?
No. I don't think I've cut aluminum that thick before, but today's the day. Is it here?
Yeah, it's here.
Alright.
All right. Wait.
Let's talk about it.
Let's talk about it.
Let's talk about it.
So, I need a 1/2 inch piece of aluminum with these holes in it. 1, 2, 3, 4 holes.
We can do that.
We can do this?
Yeah.
Alright,
We'll get it done. And then I'm good to go.
better not screw this up.
I won't.
While Kyle's cutting up that plate, because this has 6 holes, this hole is supposed to go into this runner. So, look at that. Goddamn child proof. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna take this, cut it like right about here, and then it's gonna kind of get it. You see what I'm trying to do right there? Like that. Try to get your gaps as small as you can. This is still really way big.
Too big.
Try to weld on top of that, it's just gonna weld like shit. Take your time fitting all your pieces up correctly. See, that's still way big. Telling all the people my tricks. See?
It's getting there.
It's getting there. I'm doing this side right now. This, I finished off here. I finished that. And I got Kyle over here.
If this works, I'm gonna be surprised.
Why would you say that? Well, this is our rough sketch here. That gets real rough.
But first, what we're gonna do is do a little test.
Yeah, we're gonna test with a piece of steel first. While Kyle's doing that, I'm gonna finish up this.
Are we rolling?
Yeah.
Hang on.
I hope you guys have been enjoying 621 Golden. We've actually been really liking making it.
We get to work on our cars at work again. It rules.
Yo, Dan actually has a running car.
They don't know that yet, though.
Yeah, you are not you're not watching the show. Clearly, Vin didn't watch yesterday's episode.
Hey, it drives too.
Anyway, I hope you guys have been enjoying 621 Golden. We've actually been really enjoying making it. It's been a lot of fun. We've been getting to hang out a lot more, which is good times.
It's the best time.
And we've also gotten to work on our cars Dan even has a running car. Kei Truck's getting closer to running.
Brian's gonna work on his cars.
I may be working on my car right now. Anyway, we want to thank you guys for that. We've done 12 episodes in 3 weeks. So as a little special thank you, we're gonna hit you guys with a promo. You want to tell them what that is, Vin?
So we're gonna do 25% off for the rest of the week through the weekend. You're gonna use this code, 621 Golden THX. So you get 25% off your orders on our e-com store now through Sunday night at 12 o'clock PST.
So if you haven't been paying attention, next week we're gonna hit you guys with something a little bit different, which is garage. But instead, it's gonna be 5 days a week for 2 weeks straight. Shit car every week. It's like shit week. It's
Yeah.
like Shark Week, but better.
It's not gonna be shitty anymore. It's coming out pretty sick.
Don't give it all away.
All right.
So anyway,
Still shitty.
Shit
I
car
welded
gets
stuff
sick.
on it.
Watch it next week. Enjoy everything else, and we will be back with 621 Golden as soon as shit weeks are over.
346 minutes later.
You know what I really like about editing is that it seems like this happened really quick. You know what I mean? Because this is only
4 hours
No.
later.
That only took me 30 seconds to go out. This is just a test. This is a test.
Of the emergency broadcast system. If this was an actual
Cover your
emergency.
eyes. Yo, this better work.
Are you sure?
You don't know the difference between 3 and 4 inches, bro.
Neither did you!
Yeah, so what?
Phrasing?
Right. Sneak it in there. Yo, and the hole's not even big enough, Kyle.
Yeah, you made the hole too small and too far apart.
Kyle.
Disappointed!
I didn't really want to believe it, Kyle.
What? That he's the man. He can fabricate. He knows the plasma table. He can bake. These don't work either.
Kelly!
It's okay. It's all right. You know, this is why we test. This is why we test. We don't want to be too hard on ourselves, okay?
Take 2.
Too far in.
You're not.
Yeah.
Shit. How we do? We got Vin.
What's up?
Zach.
What's up?
Zach's cleaning up.
Yo, hey. Don't throw the dirty ones in with the clean ones. I almost said some shit. That's how you know I'm growing as a human.
Growing still? You're still a growing boy?
I want to see if my play fits. Come on.
I don't know about the middle ones though. It goes in there.
Phrasing?
Kyle, the only shit I'm gonna give you.
No, seriously, I'm watching right now.
This hole ended up slightly too large. You know what? I can live with this, Kyle. I weld this.
I can go make it smaller. Only take 5 minutes.
Yeah, but I want to go home.
So do I.
We might as well do it right the first time. Second time, third time, or fourth time.
We're already doing it 4 times. Might as well just. What's one more time?
That's what I'm saying. It doesn't matter now.
Both holes move up
An eighth.
1/8.
Okay, bud. All right, one more time. One more again.
2,000 years later.
My man. 4th time's a charm.
That was the first time. The first time I got it right.
You got to go home.
All right, let's cut it up.
We gotta cut it out of aluminum.
Slag holders in place. There it is, Kyle. It fits. Now tomorrow I'm gonna tack this into place and figure out how high or how much length we have to the side. And then this is the plenum. Cut out here, take a chunk out, and weld that on top. So it's kind of be like a D shape instead of just a round plenum that sits on top.
Whoa. So it's gonna go like this.
Yes.
So this is the beginning of the intake.
Yes. That intake
Yes.
is right here. It's hard to see, but there's one hole. See? The intake
yep.
sits right here. That's the exhaust. The exhaust only has 2 ports.
What do you plan on? Where's the exhaust gonna exit?
You know, I haven't really thought about it. I want to do something cool.
Okay.
Maybe, I don't know, out the side. up. Comment below if you want to see the exhaust come out of here, or out the bed, or out the back. Give us some ideas, because I'm kind of running out.
Yeah, we've been at the shop for a few days now.
Late nights. There's a gang of parts in the back now, so we're good.
We're good. Yo, this is such a cute workbench. This you, Suppy? Dude, I knew you were into like knickknacks and stuff. Look at you, bro.
That's not mine. That was here.
No. This was not here.
That was here.
Oh, okay.